All right, we are back at the stacks at Fondren, and huge thanks to this amazing staff for letting me. Thank you so much, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Anyways, here is this old vintage Otis elevator from 1968. Still lives on in the year of 2026. I'm gonna start from going down. I noticed that the other part of the building was cut off.
Yeah. Are you talking about where the construction is, Jim?
Yeah. It wants to shut fast. Now I like to do a full round trip viewing the indicator, both up and back down to one nonstop. That's what I'm gonna do.
All right, you're the expert.
I'm so glad that this elevator is still original.
It's very dependable too.
Exactly, yeah.
Very dependable. We rarely have issues with it.
We're just gonna stay in the elevator. We're not getting off at any floors.
Okay, that, all right, sounds good.
One's burned out on the indicator.
I will report that.
Seven's burned out as well.
Thank you, Jim. I'll report that to the authorities.
All right, now I think the motor is on the top, if I'm not mistaken. Now this is the part where I want to get a silent listen to the sound of the motor starting up. Is that okay with you?
Yes.
And 3, 2, 1. Actually, it sounds like the motor is in the bottom of the building.
You know, Jim, I'm not really sure.
I might want to take it for one more ride because I really want to sound sample the motor kicking in.
Okay.
But honestly, thank you so much, ma'am.
You're very welcome.
I had never thought that I'd still be allowed to ride this old piece of beauty once again. Woo! All right, 3, 2, 1. I want to start the motor one more time. We're going to get off to where we started.
Okay.
Awesome. Back to somewhere in there.
7.
Now, do you have plans on replacing this elevator?
I don't believe so. At this point, I don't know, Vinny. Our department will move from this area to the brand new building they're constructing,
Oh, okay.
but other entities in the library will move to this area. But as far as it being replaced, I have no idea. We had a renovation about 10 years ago.
I heard, yeah.
And we have a great big elevator over here, a freight elevator, but this one stayed the same.
Is it the new one?
That's the new one over here.
Okay, well, anyways, I'm gonna go and stop my video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy that ride. Thank you so much, ma'am.
You're welcome, Jan.
And with that being said, that'll be it.